Welcome. Freud and psychopathology. Psychopathology means mental disorders and illnesses. The basic idea behind Freud's talking cure, called psychoanalysis, is that psychopathology reflects emotional conflicts about sexual desire for the parent of the other sex. The Oedipal conflict is the origin of most of the problems. These conflicts are repressed into the unconscious because they are too painful, embarrassing to deal with consciously. Repressed conflicts create psychological tension which must be released. Notice how Freud's model is a hydraulic model. Here I have very poorly drawn, but you get the idea of a dam with blue water, and the blue water is overflowing the dam. The dam is not able to keep all the water in there, and well, this is a metaphor for Freud's hydraulic model. We have too much of that blue, too much id impulses, too much superego strictures, and the dam, the ego, is just not able to keep it all in anymore. So this hydraulic model is a good way, again, for looking at Freud, and release can come in various forms. And so if we're able to find some sort of release, then the dam, the ego, is able to keep those id impulses and superego strictures in line and well below where it's overflowing. When things are overflowing, as in the previous slide, we see all sorts of defense mechanisms, maybe even psychopathology happening. So to release that id energy and superego strictures, release can come in various forms. It can be channeled into constructive activities like artistic or scientific creation, playing drums, writing a proposal for a grant, engaging in an experiment, or it can be destructive ones like psychopathology. Freud's basic treatment was to bring consciousness the repressed psychological conflict by a process Freud called free association. The patient is encouraged to say freely his thoughts and feelings. The analyst's task was to help the patient discover what unconscious conflicts the patient's associations reflected. Freud often used the patient's dreams as the stimulus for free associations because he believed that the dream content was a disguised representation of repressed emotional conflict, or as Freud said, dreams were the royal road to the unconscious. Although Freud's specific ideas and methods retain their influence in the humanities, they have lost much of their importance in psychology. The core idea of repressed conflict remains influential, and many other important ideas in psychology originated in his work. Thank you.